the best ukulele exercise ever. Super useful, super helpful exercise. I guarantee you if you do this every time you start your practice routine as a warm-up, it will make everything else you play just seem easier. This is a very helpful exercise for many reasons. One being that it is a great picking exercise, and also it uses all of the fingers in our fretting hand, so that's great. There are 3 levels to playing this very useful exercise, and the first level is to simply do this. On each string, you're gonna play the frets 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I like to start with the top string here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and what you wanna do is you wanna use each of your fingers to play these frets. Your pointer finger on the first fret, your middle finger on the second fret, your ring finger on the third fret, and your pinky on the fourth fret. So you're gonna play the top string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's helpful to have a pick because this is a picking exercise. And after you do the top string, you're gonna go to the next string down, and you're gonna do the same exact thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go down another string, 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally you're gonna go to the bottom string here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now when you get all the way through down to the bottom, you're gonna go basically in reverse by starting with your pinky on the 4th fret on the first string down here. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're gonna go up a string to your pinky again. 4, 3, 2, 1. And up another string. 4, 3, 2, 1. And lastly to the top string. 4, 3, 2, 1. I recommend this for all ability levels, although if you're a very beginner, this might be kind of difficult. So level 1 of this exercise is just playing 1, 2, 3, 4 with each finger, and each time you play the next note, your previous finger comes up like that, okay? So as you go through, you're just using one finger at a time. Right, that's level 1. Now level 2 is a little more difficult, but there are more benefits to it. In level 2, what we're going to do is blocked fingering, and blocked fingering is when you keep the previous finger down when you go to the next note. So for example, when I go 1 to 2, I'm going to keep 1 down, and when I go to 2 to 3, I'm going to still keep 2 down, and then when I go 3 to 4, I'm going to still keep 3 down. Actually, you keep all of them down as you go. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and when I'm on the 4th fret, I'm holding all 4 fingers down at the same time. So you can try playing through this exercise like this. I recommend going very slowly. And then we'll go down a string. Now when you get to the bottom and you want to come back up, you're going to start with all your fingers down, and we're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, lifting a finger up each time as we go to the next note. So then we go up to the next string, we're going to keep all of our fingers down like this. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we do the same thing on each set of strings. 4, 3, 2, 1, and on the last string here, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level 3 of this would be to do the blocked fingering where we keep our fingers down as we go, but also alternate pick. So you may have not been paying attention to how you were picking until now, but usually when we pick, we just always go down. But when we alternate pick, we alternate, or we switch directions each time. And it makes sense in this case because we have an even number of notes on each string, so 4 notes. So for us, that would be down, up, and it's sort of symmetric. So yeah, level 3 would be alternate picking with blocked fingering like this. Down, up, 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 down, up. One other thing I recommend is that if you want to work on your rhythm, to use a metronome. If you're looking to improve further on the ukulele, please check out this next video. I guarantee it's going to help you.